Today, I invited a top chef from India to make the most creamy and delicious dish you can make in 10 minutes to cook Semolina chicken. The creamy Indian dish that you deserve.
Welcome back everyone. Today we're cooking Semolina chicken with our guest chef series Bedanto. Welcome back.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are going to go for Semolina crusted chicken today, and it's very easy and very convenient, and it's quick as any. I mean, if you're having any guests coming up and with a very short notice, you can prepare it within half an hour maximum. Then that's great for entree.
The ingredients we need are chicken, ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, rava, frying oil, black pepper for the marination, kasuri methi, red chili powder, turmeric, chicken salt, optional decorations, leaves.
Alright, so wash your hands. Make sure to wash thoroughly as you'll be dealing with chicken and spices. Chef Bedanto recommends the Palmolive brand or Dettol brand, and still pretty good. Okay, unwrap the chicken. Start peeling it and wash it thoroughly. Now we're going to cut into small pieces. The pieces will not to be too big, will not too small, the perfect size for a display entree setting. The chicken is hard to cut, so please make sure that you take your time and be careful with the knife so you don't injure yourself or others around. You can see that the pieces aren't too big, they're not too small. Alright, put it into a bowl, and this is what it should look like, the shredded chicken pieces. Now grab chicken salt and salt, regular salt, and it's again as per taste. Put in about maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt all around, and then some chicken salt. This is highly optional. If you want to improvise, it's totally up to you, this dish, but this is what the chef does recommend. Next you have turmeric. We'll just spray that all around, dash it all around. It's perfect. Don't put too much, don't put too little. Now some kasuri methi and some pepper and lemon and ginger garlic paste, and open up the lemons. I'm using here green lemons. You can use yellow, it doesn't matter. Cut it up into a few pieces, squeeze it up, and put the pepper all around. Now this is so easy to make. And now we put the red chili powder, another teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm using here separately, but doesn't matter. That's 2. Now kasuri methi. Put a little bit in your hand, and now we're going to mush it up all together for a nice marination process. Then we're going to leave it for 10 minutes to set in, to give that nice flavor. 10 to 15 minutes, that's all it needs. No day preparation, on the spot, easy to make. And other videos like this, cooking videos, can be found in the description. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, so that's all done now. This is what it should look like. You can see some flakes of kasuri methi. You can see some red chili powder, some salt and turmeric. So it's a nice flavor, a nice setting. Alright, now we're going to get our rava. This is a traditional kind of chicken crumbs for Indian dishes, and put it on a plate and spread it all around. What are we going to do with this? We're going to put the chicken and wrap it around it. This is what's going to give it its nice crispy kind of KFC like chicken texture. Now just wrap it up all in that, and then now grab a bowl and put some oil around it. You should put quite a lot of oil and put it to medium heat. You'll see right now you'll see medium heat, not too strong, not too little. Wait a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes, until you start seeing some bubbles. And now you can put in your chicken. It will be very quick. Here will be about 5 minutes each side, totally 10 minutes. So once your marination is done, total preparation time is about 20 minutes. So pretty good and not too hard. Now flip it around once it's done. That nice sizzling texture. Okay, so this is what your chicken should look like after the 10 minutes of cooking. That nice crispy flake, not too burnt, not too dry, just the perfect texture. Now put it on a plate. I recommend putting some tissue so you can absorb the oil. They will be quite oily if you do like healthy diet. This is what the chef does recommend too. And now this is the final product, presented with some mayonnaise or tomato sauce, a red chili, and some leaves, icebergs. Alright, so this is the final dish. It's beautifully presented with a red chili or green chili, and this is the big bowl. This can serve up to 10 people, and there's a lot going on. Thank you so much for watching QMV Australia, and with our guest chef series with Cooking with Bedanto, we'll be back with more episodes.